Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Gohighlevel as the owner admin. This is required to access billing options. Once logged in, open Settings then Billing so you can see the active plan and next invoice date. Make sure your billing email and payment method match records. This avoids delays when canceling. If you're on a managed agency sub-account, confirm you have permission to cancel or ask the account owner now. Proceed to the billing area to find the subscription controls. Now focus on the billing interface to execute the cancellation. In billing, click Manage Plan or View Plan Details. That reveals cancel, downgrade, or pause options. Read the cancellation prompt carefully because it explains proration, potential fees, and whether access ends immediately or at period end. If you see a contact support requirement, start a chat or ticket and reference your account ID. Save screenshots of confirmation screens so you have proof. Finish by confirming the cancel action and keeping the confirmation number or a screenshot as your record. Once done, check the billing email for the official cancellation notice and verify the date access ends to avoid surprises. If cancellation is blocked or the button is missing, contact Gohighlevel support immediately. Use live chat or open a ticket, provide your account ID and payment proof, and request escalation. This quickly resolves permission or billing disputes before further charges occur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.